Mike Schmidt. I'm the Vice President of Marketing Analytics for Alliance Data Card Services. So we supply private label and co-branded credit card loyalty solutions to over 150 different brand partners. So some of our top marketing challenges really around data is helping both our brand partners really understand who their customer is. A lot of them are small to large size retailers, and knowing who your customer is so you can really start to think about what your messaging should be and how you should talk to them becomes critically important. And then on top of that, leveraging their first-party data, our first-party data, and then the data assets like Total Source Plus from Epsilon to really help with true brand prospecting is another big challenge, especially given the state of retail today. The thing that Epsilon really helps bring to the table for us is the Total Source Plus data set. Really rich, robust data, everything from helping us understand the demographics and psychographics of the customers, as well as some of the real key lifestyle elements. And where that becomes important for us is when we understand who a brand's customer is, it helps tell a more compelling story about how you really need to tackle the challenges unique to that brand's customers. And in addition, it starts to arm you with enough information to be able to build strong look-alike models to help identify new brand prospects and customers. With the mall and the general physical store environment changing so drastically, having an idea of who the customer will be, because you're not going to necessarily be able to count on a mall or a strip mall to guide them in, it becomes so important for them to be able to capture new customers in all different channels. What I think Epsilon does really well is always thinking about the customer. So from the standpoint of the data assets, the technology, even the interactions from a conversant perspective, more on the digital side, it's all focused around really, do you know your customer? How do you help understand who they are and what they need? How do you talk about them and to them? And how do you find more of them? And so I love that singular focus. For us being a B2B2C company, a lot of our relationships are with other retailers, but we're all about the retailer's customers. That kind of focus serves us really well. Epsilon is data and Epsilon is the customer, meaning all about the data, all about the customer, because in the future, if you don't have those two pieces, both understand who they are and all of the data support that, you're gonna have a really tough time in the kind of retail and just overall economic environment we're in.